Greece is a very unique destination, and they hosted the Special Olympics in 2011.
Chrysanthos Petsilas, I'm the director for the Greek National Tourist Board in the Northern America, of course in the US and Canada. And we are on our headquarters in the United States, our office, which is located in 305 East 47th Street, second floor. We are together with the Greek Press Office. It's a property of the Greek government, and we moved here since July 1st. And it's a great place, as you see tonight, and we have great audiovisual equipments. And we are open for the public every day, 10 to 5, and Monday through Friday. And of course, our business partners and the public to give them information about Greece. Of course, I think is a dream of anybody on the Western civilization to be once in a lifetime to Greece. It's the motherhood, of course, of the Western civilization, but it's so much the ties between especially Greece and United States, because there is no home or in Greece who doesn't have a relative or a friend in the United States. So Athens has a new of the miracles of the wonders, is the new Acropolis Museum. I think so. This is amazing because a great American architect created, Mr. Tschumi, who also was a Swiss descent, but is a great professor in Columbia University. And he won the bid to create this museum, which is an amazing place for someone to see in Athens, except the Acropolis, except the Archaeological Museum, except all the other beautiful things we have in the Greek and Athens Riviera. And also we know from the American history how much they grow up with the Greek ideals, the Greek democracy, and also we see it in all the colleges with the Greek alphabet. We see it on every governor office has the Greek architecture, but also Greece has so much friendship to the United States, which, okay, to know Greece for the ancient times, but if you don't also know the experience and the relations from the American, because it's the future, and everybody knows about Santorini, is a very unique place to be. Is the place which also the most of the honeymoon couples or getting married to Greece going to Santorini. There are more destinations and areas of Greece for an American visitor to see. The well-known triangle of Mykonos, Santorini and Crete expand. Of course, now, because the film of Mamma Mia went to the Sporader Islands, the Skopelos and Skiathos is a new destination, but we invite everybody to, after the Selecta cruises with this here tonight on the seminar, to do island hopping, but also there are great places on the mainland and historical places and adventure places, and because Greece also can combine great water activities and history and land tours. Greece is a destination for all levels of tourists, but also great family vacation, because I remember last year the New York Times has a great article about education and family travel, because now is an example the area of Peloponnese with the new ruins of Messina, with a great new Cavo Navarino hotel, which also includes great golf courses, which is the best golf courses in Europe, new adventure underwater activities, as we call the cruises under the sea for the lovers of scuba diving. That means Greece has many to offer. As a matter of fact, now we have to spring, but we have a lot of Greek flora. We have a great areas which the adventure, new rivers, new gorges, new animals, other new flowers. I mean, it's a destination which unfolds and has a lot of secrets and a lot of variety of the American tourist when visit to Greece to do a lot of things, and sports and adventure and great vacation, and special because for us the American traveler is the most important tourist, because the Americans, we call them in our language traveler, not vacationer, because they will visit at least 2 countries in their package, and each country they will use also, they will see 2 to 4 destinations. The Americans are the best tourists because they are travelers, and in their travel habit, they try your cuisine, they try your wine, they visit the museums, they buy gifts for their friends and their family. And in Greece, as an example, if you have like 100,000 more Americans, our income is like 400,000 visitors for our average income of our visitors in our country. But it's not only that, because we know how much and great are the American people, because they love friendship, they have so much justice when they hear for another culture, on another politics, and that is, for us, is an honor to have more Americans in our country. We love it. We love it because also, I repeat one more time, there is no family in Greece doesn't have a friend or a relative in the United States. It's amazing, even though the country is Christian Orthodox, you can see great areas of any religion. You will see Catholicism, you will see Jewish heritage, you will see Muslim temples. That means if you have your cafe in Plaka under the Acropolis, the old city of Athens, and your eye, you can see in the horizon all the civilizations and all the emblems of the civilization from this area. You will see Roman temples, you will see churches, you will see a mosque, you can see also a synagogue. It's amazing. In Athens and in Greece, you can meet all the civilizations and all the religions. This is another thing which also makes a unique place to visit. We improve things for disability travel. That means if someone wants to come to the Acropolis, they have the special elevators for the people to come up and visit. Also, they create, and that was another result of the successful Olympics we had in 2004, to improve our infrastructure for disability travel. And that makes me a little proud, and will make me more proud and honored if we can improve the disability travel in the near future. I think there is a great call for us to do it, because we can give happiness to people equal to all of us. I invite all the Americans to visit Greece. Our partners in travel is that we have today in our office the seminar with a great company, Central Holidays, with a cruise company, Louis Cruises. It's things we continue to do. We will host another events for seminars to make our destination well known to our partners in business, the travel agents, the tour operators, the crew companies, the air carriers. And also we do a campaign which is, we create through the social media, a special DVD, which we call it You in Greece, because are the opinions of the people they visit our country. We did so far 13 editions in 13 languages, but in the last edition and the previous ones, the half of them are Americans from all over the United States, and they talk about how great time they had in Greece. And I encourage everybody to come and visit our country, especially this year. It doesn't matter if we have the financial crisis, but our HAG is there to accept and do the philoxenia, is the language we have, the friends of the stranger, as we call in our language, for every visitor in our country. From the other side, I want to inform our American friends the increasing numbers of the Greek visitors to United States, even though we have our problems increasing. And I hope so. Like last year, we have 28,000 visitors in New York, and to the United States to be more packages to visit US, as we invite people to visit Greece, to be benefit on both sides in our business.